So, hi guys, a very good morning to you. It's bang on 11 o'clock by the watch, India Standard Time, Monday, 16 June 2025. I'm Jashin Kapani, the founder and CEO of I'm Recon Design. In case I'm on your screens and stuff, I'm wishing everybody a great start and a great day. And I'm doing a quick share on something related to the environment and beautification and stuff. So Delhi, apparently it seems that the rains are around the corner and stuff. The weather has gotten better and stuff. At least today it's relaxed. So a quick reminder, I also shared this a few weeks back. You may find, you know, trees fallen down, or you may find wood like this. So this one is here. This is a result of the rains that we had. So the idea was, and the reminder again is, if you can pick up these small wooden pieces or the bigger ones, and you can take them to your homes or to your offices, or like maybe a studio or a restaurant, your balconies, your terraces and stuff, and do a small decor or a big decor. That would be great, because firstly it's going to be addressing the issue of cleaning up these freely lying wooden pieces around, and secondly it's going to get the nature indoors, and it's going to beautify your spaces. Let's say you have a tree in your garden and you kind of hang with the ropes and strings, this driftwood, and you put in some moss and you add some more greenery or flowers to it. It's going to be a beautiful flora or a flower arrangement for you and stuff. And of course, if you have like hot spaces like a balcony or a terrace, or let's say your entrance or something, and you do up this thing, it's going to kind of give a feeling of relaxation. And besides, if you have driftwood indoors or at your entrances, or it's a theme somewhere, then obviously it's going to be kind of making the whole place look amazing and beautiful. And flowers kisko अच्छे नहीं लगते, greenery indoors naturally feels good and stuff. And with flowers and plants and everything, the whole ambience and the environment is quite beautiful and positive, so you can spend few hours there just looking at the flowers or just looking at the greenery and stuff. And you have two three what do you call issues or concerns that are addressed also. So take care and have a good day. It's a unplanned, unedited one, so I'm sharing this as I'm walking in my neighborhood. And as I walk, I can hear the beautiful bulbul, and I see some beautiful birds and everything around and stuff. So it's a great start. So mind you, I got up at 8:30. I did not log into my phone. So the first sound that comes to me right now is as I walk in my neighborhood with the community dogs and stuff and my own pet. It's a beautiful feeling. So try it. You don't always need technology. You don't always need news. You don't always need information coming to you on social media. Just take a nice long walk and you're going to feel amazing and stuff. So have a blast and have a great day. And remember to place these kind of have these kind of placements of bowls and stuff for the community neighborhood pets and dogs and animals, which come in sometimes. A stray cat or a cow will just walk in and stuff. So enjoy and have a great day, and try this idea. Driftwood looks nice. Wood is relaxing, it's grounding, and it's easy to maintain. And greenery and beautiful flowers definitely uplift your space. And Ikebana is such a great concept which is picking up, in India. It's been there for a while, and beautiful arrangements. If you can place some glass containers around it and some candles around it, and you can have some nice, like greenery around, or maybe just deck it up somewhere. It can be extended to a fantabulous idea which goes on the side of luxury as well. So in weddings or in birthday parties or in all these couture events and stuff, all these arrangements that you have are normally a product of flowers and everything. So enjoy it, and have a blast and have a great week ahead. And remember to rest, remember to stay hydrated, and soak up the sun and have some fun. I'm on jkapani@gmail.com, jashinkapani.im@gmail.com, and jashinkapanioffice@gmail.com. So love and luck, and have a blast. It's beautiful out here with the beautiful bulbul, and I can hear the chirping of the birds and stuff. So step out and enjoy. Take care. Love and luck. Bye bye.